Yes, it's day 13 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge. Why we are using DCA dollar cost averaging to buy PHT and other meme coin. So as usual, you're gonna be buying PHT and also we'll look for another meme coin to buy. So first and first, let's click on PHT. As you can see, currently we now have 1000 plus PHT. We've accumulated 1000 plus PHT. Incredible. So if one PHT gets to $1, this will be $1000 plus, which is possible, which is very, very possible. PHT supply is limited. I think it's 6 million plus. All right. So little by little, gradually, we've been able to accumulate PHT and some other meme coins, more than 6 meme coins as well. So we're gonna buy PHT again, just as usual, and that's we increase our holdings. Let me buy with 0.04. Okay. And this time confirm. So before the end of this challenge, this is 90 to 100 days challenge. We should have accumulated up to 10,000 PHT. Yeah. So I just say the target is 10,000 PHT. 10,000 PHT. So now we've achieved 10% of our target. So we still have 90% more to go. Okay, 9,000 PHT more to accumulate. All right. So now, what's the next meme coin we are buying? Let's go to Desk Coiner. Yeah, this is the next meme coin we are gonna be buying. All right. So this is also created 1 year, 6 months ago. So before we buy, let's check the chart. It's loading. So as you can see on the chart, I already marked a demand level here, okay, which I was expecting the price to tap into. All right. So but since we are buying using this year dollar cost averaging, I don't have to wait till it gets to this level. Okay, so we just buy some now, and if the price eventually gets to this level, we double up. Okay, so let's say we buy it $1 now. By the time the price gets to this level, we buy with $10, like times 10. You understand? So because at this demand level, if the price gets there, okay, as expected, normally the price should, bounce back. The buyers should take over. All right. So I'm gonna click on info. I'm gonna click on copy. I'll copy the contract address. So let's go to KX. So I'm gonna click on BNB. Then I'm gonna click on swap. So USDT, I'm gonna paste, and I'll click on Nene. So I'll be buying with 0.002. Swap via OKX, I understand. Confirm. Continuing transaction. confirm. So that's just it, guys. Okay, so we are pushing forward. So now we have 5,466 Nene. So guys, let me know if you have questions. Okay, any observation, suggestion, drop them in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.